Okay, what system of inequalities is represented by the graph? I'm going to take the first set of answers, A, and, well, actually, you know what? I'm going to do this a different way. I could check each one, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to just write equations for these two lines, okay? Separate from what the answers are. So how do we do that? Well, let's take this line right here. I'm going to draw this line right here and say, if I wanted to do that one, first of all, what's the equation of the line? Okay, I'll write it in pink. So we see that it has an intercept here of negative, let's see, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. It has an intercept of negative 6, minus 6. What's the slope? Well, if we take any 2 points that we know, and that cross the grid lines exactly like right there, and it looks like the next one's right there, then what's the slope of that? Okay, well, the slope is rise negative 3, run 1. So negative 3 for a slope. So we then say, okay, then that means that's negative 3x. And y, what? Do we have it equal to? Well, let me move the line for a second. And you'll see that it's solid, so it's an or equals situation. But are we graphing above it or below it? Well, the region that's graphed is below our line. So we say then y must be less than that line, or equal to. And that's one of the equations. That's that pink equation. Y is less than or equal to negative 3x minus 6. Where do we see that? Y is less than or equal to negative 3x minus 6. Okay? Looks like no other one has that answer, but let's do one in green. Let's do this one in green and see how we do. And let's write an equation for it. So we've got an intercept here at negative 2. So we're going to say minus 2. Y is what? Greater than or less than? Well, notice that it says it's solid, so it's going to be an or equals situation. Okay, but they have it graphed below this line. So y is going to be less than or equal to. Okay, something x minus 2. Now what's the slope? Let's see. We need to find 2 points that are right on the line. So this looks like it's right on the line right there. And actually, they all look like they are. There, 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 there. So it's rise 1, run 1, slope of 1. And it's really then, if it's a slope of 1, we don't put the 1 in front. It's just y is less than or equal to x minus 2. And what do you know? The one that we had originally marked C also has that as an answer. So this is the answer.